Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to approve tags on Facebook. So let's start the video. At first, log into your Facebook and click on the menu bar. Now click on the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down and find profile and tagging. Under the audience and visibility section, tap on it to access tag related settings. Turn on tag review under reviewing. Find the option that says review tags people. Add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. Turn these settings on by toggling the choice. This ensures you will be notified every time someone tags you in a post, giving you the choice to approve or reject the tag. When someone tags you in a post, you will receive a notification. To approve or reject the tag, go to your activity log, then click on your Facebook activity. Expand activity you are tagged in. Now click on Manage Tags. You will find posts that you have been tagged on. Now you can approve or remove the tag before it appears on your timeline. And that's it. Now you know how to approve tags on Facebook before they show up on your profile. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Initial Solution for more quick tutorials. See you next time.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.